Hi guys, tutorial how to make a DIY Apple Pencil. Actually, this Apple Pencil, it's working on tablet, iPhone, 17 iPhone phone, normal phone, and tablet, and wicked tablet, and all of the phone, it works. And tablet actually. Even you have the Apple Pencil, it's working. Look, let's start. First, you need a coloring pencil or coloring pencil. Let's get. I prepared pink because I love pink. And first, get some tissue. Only 2 by 2.
Ibang klaseng init? O iba naman? Lesty na yan?
2. Only 2, okay guys? Only 2. Then next, put the pencil in here. Like this. And third, you just gonna roll it. Like nothing. I'm gonna roll it first. And done. Next, you need to tape it. All of this like this. Like this. First, you need to tape it in the top so tight. And let's get it transition from this to this. So that. And after you put this in here, you need to pour a water in here. But wait, now I get some water. It's not enough. Wait, it's enough now. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, now let's pour it. Wait it for 5 seconds. Count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. We go. Part 2.